Hi, this is Popolo Lega. Some of you might think I'm crazy, but I'm not. Today, I'm making my car sounds louder. This is a 2010 Chevy Camaro, so if you don't want to spend your money to make your car sounds louder, this is the easy way to do it. So this is the place that I already remove every single nuts. Now the thing I need to do is just to take it off and replace more nut on those space. Then the car will sound loud. On est qu'on accélérateur sur notre embouteillage. On est qu'on embouteillage. Quand on va venir sur ma moto, on va monter un petit peu bouger.
On va sur la
quand tu as le troisième toc, il est plus fort. Tout embouteillage, on va accélérateur.
Troisième.
Syndical bosso tout. Listen to this.